So I know how it feels game when you're just you're trading and you're over trading and you're bored at looking at the charts. This is why I'm trying to give you all these videos for your psychology. Boredom, being bored and boredom does come out in the charts, and then you start over trading, you start over leveraging, you start getting at the middle of an uptrend when you had your trade already in place at great trade one and great trade two. You start trying to swing trade this. A lot of factors come in when you're live trading, when you're actually in the market, and you're trading with your live money. A lot of factors come in. I'm just trying to avoid you. I'm trying to give you as much psychology and as much videos to help with your psychology, as you have to be disciplined. And I know trading can be boring. What they say, trading can be boring, but you have to stick to your trading strategy. As price can reverse, as you see, what price at take profit two started consolidating. What price got to take profit three to take profit two, it started consolidating and then eventually headed back down and got everybody out of this trade. So like sticking to your trading plan is extremely important. Get out and take profit two. Take the money. As the next day, you could have got back in and rolled it all the way up to take profit one. Boom, same thing here. Get out the trade as price went to take profit one. Get out the trade as it shoots all the way past all your trades in one day. February 4th to February 4th, it shoots past all your trades in one day. You lose all your money in one day. Like you can lose all your money in one day. Forex is a real market, and you can lose your real money in one day and blow your account in one day. I'm just trying to avoid you from losing money in this market, as you can make millions in this market. The trading strategy works. The trading strategy works. Get in at great trade one and great trade two. Wait for the dip. Wait for the dip, and then you could have got in and rolled this all the way up. Wait for the dip. Wait for price to make what a dip, boom, wait for price to dip, make a higher low, and you could have got in a higher high, and rolled it all the way up to take profit three, wait for price to dip, like stick to your trading strategy. I know it can be boring, what they say, but price is going to make market structure. You have to let price make market structure. It's going to make higher lows, consolidate, and before making a higher high, make another higher low, consolidate before making another higher high. And this took what, 3 days from February 4th all the way up to February the 7th. It took 3 days. You had to be patient with this market. If you're, this was a trade you was trying to swing trade. You know, um, this was the one you was trying to swing trade. Even here though, from February the 3rd to February the 4th, it took a day. So you have to adapt to the market. And see what the market's showing you. Once price gets to a take profit level, I know once price gets to my take profit level, I'm paying special attention to see what price is doing. Once price gets to take profit two, take profit one, I'm looking to see what price wants to do. It got to our psychological level. I'm seeing what candlestick patterns are being formed and seeing what price wants to do. As I know, once price gets to our psychological level, price will give us some type of candlestick pattern, letting us know if price wants to continue up or it wants to reverse back down. To see price will reverse back down as well. And it will break back up and continue up as well too. It'll continue up as well too. But I know when price gets to my psychological level, I'm paying special attention. I'm waiting to see what price wants to do. Okay, I'm gonna wait at take profit two and wait and see. Okay, price wants to go to take profit one. Cool, got to take profit one. Boom. I'm waiting to see what price wants to do now, as I know price can go reverse back down once it gets to take profit one, as it did here, all the way back down to take profit three. I'm waiting. Eventually, we see a push all the way up to take profit three. So, um, I will, before I even enter a trade, I'm waiting to see what price wants to do, as I know it took, you know, uh, from February the 4th, February the 6th, February the 7th, took like 3 days for price to get all the way up here. So you have to be extremely patient with this great trade too. And I'm just waiting to see what price wants to do. You want to wait and see what price wants to do around these areas, around these psychological areas, and see what price wants to do before you enter a trade. And that's how I trade. I wait. I mean, I understand. I've been trading in this market for about 3 years. I understand you have to be extremely patient with this market, as you can lose your money in this market. Just wait. Price does exactly what you want it to do. You're trying to swing trade and hold on to this trade, and you're over trading because you're like, Forex is boring looking at chart patterns all day. Just wait, get out the trade, and just wait for price to retest back down and you could have got back in this trade and rolled it all the way back up to take profit 3. Like, I understand gain. I understand. The overall direction is still uptrend. Um, if you can't decide, what price wants to do, just wait. Just wait and see what price wants to do instead of just, getting in for more trades, trying to place more trades in, and price stops you out and takes all your money. Over here, this is a true uptrend. As price continue all the way up to take profit 3, we finally see a push above take profit 1, all the way to take profit 2, and then it has to take profit 3. And we didn't see a push above take profit 3 yet. But, you have to wait until price gives you a clear signal that price is moving in your direction. This is why we go back to the 15-minute time frame for entries to see, okay, where we could get in at, to see more structure on a 15 and a 5-minute. Try sticking to your trading plan. Try not over gambling. As you're over gambling, and you like it's a thrill. I know the feeling, a thrill of over gambling, and you're up 1,000, 2,000, and you're gambling. You're like, I want to place another trade in, and then price shoots back down and then stops you out, and then you just lost 2, 3,000 when you were just up 2 or 3,000. I understand the feeling. So it's extremely important to wait for the right setups and just wait for this setup right here. It took a day from February to 3rd all the way to February to 4th. It took like a day or two, but you just have to be patient with this market, and and recognize once price gets to a take profit level, it'll give you some type of candlestick pattern. Not as that price wants to continue up. It'll give us some type of confirmation. Oh, we see this breakout out of this consolidation. Boom, up to take profit 1, start consolidating, and then we see another breakout all you have to take profit 3. So um, just waiting for the right setup until you feel strong enough to enter a trade is extremely important. Your psychology, as you can see, trading is about your psychology. Your psychology is going to determine if you're profitable. So thinking long term about it, um, how much money you're willing to risk and how much money you're willing to make each month. You have to put all this into factor. So paying attention to what lot sizes you use as well. You want to get in at the bottom. This is where you make the most money at. You can see price is headed all the way up to take profit 3. This is where you make the most money at, from take profit 3 to take profit 3. Like, dang, this is where you make the most money at the bottom. Extremely important to understand that your psychology, trading is about your psychology. This will determine if you're profitable in the long term. I want to go to the 1 hour real fast. This will determine if you're profitable in the long run. Gang, as price can do whatever it wants to do. You're trying to swing trade this, and on the 1 hour you can see, boom, black Marubozo candlesticks stop you out and get you out of this trade here and here, trade 1 and trade 2. And you're risking too much of your money, and you're getting at the middle of an uptrend, when you should just wait for price to retest back down. Just wait for price to show you a strong enough entry, and then you can get in the overall direction, which is an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. Boom. All the way up to take profit 3. Just wait for price to dip back down and then show you a setup. This is where you make the most money at. You see our psychological level: take profit 3, take profit 2, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 areas. These are our psychological levels. Just putting everything together: trend line, Fibonacci, consolidation, understanding candlestick patterns. As this wraps up understanding candlestick patterns, I just wanted to show you, like, use all these strategies as your psychology. Extremely important. As I'm doing all of this to for your psychology. Come up with your own trading strategy. This is my trading strategy. I understand when price gets to my psychological levels, I'm looking for candlestick patterns. Letting us know if price is continuing up or reversing. I'm looking at consolidation. Once price gets to the take profit area, start to consolidate. I'm keeping my risk management in place. I'm not trying to over trade or over risk or over gambling. All of these are equally important to each other. And being confident with your trades, not allowing one trade to and start to lose confidence. No, get back in confident at the bottom and ride it all the way back up. Like, the trading strategy works. Your trading strategy works. You're going to lose in Forex as well. That's why risk management is important. Not trying to risk too much of your money, but put it all together and create your own strategy. All right, gang. So Forex is about your psychology. As you can see, we're in an uptrend from take profit 4 all the way up to take profit 3. So I hope these videos help, gang, as we're done with candlestick, understanding candlestick patterns. All right, gang.